Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. This is going to be a September reset routine. I know I'm a little bit late into the game with the reset routine. You guys really enjoyed the August one, so I thought, why not bring you guys another one? And guess what, guys? We moved. Yeah, so we have moved, and in the course of the next vlogs I'm going to share with you guys more as to where we moved. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know, but do not comment where we moved to, because I am going to make a video or in the vlogs I'm going to talk to you guys about where we moved, why we moved, and just so many things happening, which is why I haven't been able to upload vlogs consistently as I would like to, because y'all, with the whole move and our old apartment was a hot mess that I did not feel comfortable like vlogging my days in the life working, or like the weeks in the life of working, just because everything was so messy. If you guys paid attention to the last vlog that I did, the silent vlog, you guys would have noticed there was a little bit of mess in the background, and that was due to us packing and all of that. And then also we had an AC, our AC was broken in that old apartment for the whole month of August, so we had no AC. It was just a whole lot going on as we were prepping to move. We didn't expect to move so suddenly, but we just had to due to everything else going on, which I will share in another video. But today's reset routine, I will be taking you guys along unpacking the apartment. We're going to probably tackle the kitchen and maybe the bathroom. We have downsized to a 1-bedroom apartment. We used to live in a 2-bedroom apartment. We've downsized to a 1-bedroom apartment, and again, I will give you guys all the details, all the explanations as to why. If you have any questions, leave your questions down below and I will answer them in future videos or in the comments. But yeah, so today we are going to go organize the kitchen. I need to have my kitchen done, you guys know, and you guys will love this kitchen. I'm pretty sure you guys will love this kitchen. I'm gonna insert the tour for you guys first, a little bit of the empty apartment tour, and then we'll get on into our reset routine, because today is today's actually Labor Day when I'm filming this, so I have the day off work. So trying to make sure that we have the apartment as nice as possible before we start the work week. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here in my growing family. We are on our way to 7,000 subscribers. I can't even believe that. Like, we're almost at 7,000 subscribers here. I love you guys. I'm super appreciative. And you guys have been with me since Houston. You guys moved with me to New York. Now you guys have moved with me to this new place. And there's so many exciting things happening in this month of September. So you guys need to stick around to the channel. I'm not going to be able to share everything that's happening in this particular video, but throughout the vlogs this month you guys will see. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because my Instagram family ends up knowing things first. So without further ado, we are going to go grab breakfast real quick, and then when I come back from breakfast, I'll take you guys grocery shopping with me, and then the organizing. So while we're eating breakfast, you guys get to enjoy the empty apartment.